Now we'll talk briefly about symbol naming conventions. When you're working with symbols, it's very important that you give your symbols intuitive names. If you're following along, I'm working in o2_naming_conventions.fla in the Chapter 6 folder in the Exercise Files folder. Let's take a look at the symbol names in this library. One is called GFC Robot, and the other one is called GFC Star. First, let's talk about GFC. GFC is a common naming convention to begin graphic symbols with. This tells you immediately, by just looking at the name of the symbol, that it's a graphic symbol. When we work with other symbol types, we'll talk about other naming conventions. Notice after GFC, star or robot starts with a capital letter, and notice that there's no space. When you name symbols, don't put any spaces or special characters. What I mean by special characters are characters like exclamation points, ampersands, number signs, etc. You mainly want to stick to letters and numbers when you're working with symbol names. When you create symbols, it's best to always begin with a letter. Your symbols can contain numbers, just not as the first character. Now that you understand the basics of how to name symbols and what symbols are, let's start creating symbols.